Are you looking for how to get your house ready for an open house? This is a video for you. Stick around. First, you want to open all your blinds. You want the house to show as light and as bright as it possibly can. So you want to go around the house and open up all the blinds so that it gets as much sunlight in as possible. And then, once you let all the natural sunlight in, you want to make sure to turn on all the available lights. And I mean all lights. And yes, more lights. And yes, more lights. And if you've never turned on every available light in a house, you'll be surprised because it's a lot of light. More lights. More lights. Bonus room, off the game room, off the media room, more lights. Now, if your home has been empty for a while, naturally there's going to be spider webs or some dust that accumulates in areas that haven't been getting traffic. So, as your agent, you got to go around with a mop. You got to go around with a mop and sweep up all the undesirables because you want this home to show as beautiful as it possibly can. And when there's a pool involved, that also means getting the pool looking like it's $1 million. And even though it's 100 degrees, you're in a jacket, you can't go swimming. Open house, day 125 on the market. Guess I can answer some emails.